Hi guys, Rick Dane with the Cowtown USA here in Cuba, Missouri. Got you an aluminum 3-horse slant Merhow. One owner, bought brand new. It is a 2000, but it is in good shape. Now I'm not going to try to tell you it's brand new. It is not. I don't know mechanically what you would do, but there's a little wear on the paint here. Got your nice big sliding butt windows, good set of radial tires, torsion suspension, got a spare tire, and it looks like it's never been on the ground. Has a rear ramp, okay, rear ramp, collapsible rear tack wall, pull the pins, and even the center comes out of it. Removable saddle racks, carpet lined butt wall, bridle hooks, fully padded, fully lined, your two-way roof vents, all the pads here, drop down windows, 7'6" tall too. The dude is tall. Drop downs on this side with sliding windows. It has a full escape door, which a lot of them doesn't have. This has got it. Okay, and again, 7'6" tall. This is made for some big horses, guys.
JW with CRPs on line 9
okay.
for DJ or someone back there. JW for
2 5/6" ball. Got the windows up here in the front. Anyway, give us a call, 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. Merhow Horse Traders. Been around 65 years, I think, this year. So give us a call, 573-885-6300. Online, Cowtown USA.